What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key10 and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another sneaker mystery box unboxing. This time it's from someone completely new that I have not opened a box from on this channel, and his IG is at Laced Vet. It's a dude I followed for a while, and he has these things called flip kits, and these are different than like Soul Steals, because Soul Steals just post to boxes and then you buy them, and you know, if they sell out, they sell out. Well, what he does is you send him your budget. He said like 2 to 20,000, and then he makes a box specifically for you, and I guess you can tell him what you want in it, like if you want Jordans, Yeezys, whatever, and then he'll send it to you, and you're supposed to make 10 to 12%, he says, after StockX fees. So I was just trying it out because I haven't got a Soul Steals box in a while, and I was like, well, I need another one for my channel, so I was like, let's try this out. So 10 to 12%. This box I paid $2,000, and then it was $80 shipping, so kind of high on the shipping. But if I'm making 10 to 12% after fees, then there should be like $2,200 worth of shoes in here after the fees. So I don't know, let's get into it. All right, so he taped it pretty good. Good sign. And then bubble wrap. So that's good. This is a pretty small box though, because the Soul Steals boxes are usually like 25 pounds and this is 13 pounds. So, and it's looking like there's only 6 shoes. So I'll show you guys what I see right here. So looking like there's only 6 shoes, but let's see, we have a Yeezy 350 box. I'll let you guys see that first. Size 6. All right. So these are the oh yeah, another thing. Well, obviously since you're selling on StockX, all these are supposed to be dead stock. So these are a size 6 sender. So these are pretty nice. Yeah, you can see the brand new bottoms and still has the tags. So yeah, it's brand new. So you know, this does have everything to be able to sell on StockX. These go for a decent amount. I'm not 100% sure, but with like a size this small, but I think the other sizes are like 350-ish. So I'm assuming this may be 400, maybe, I don't know. So it's not a bad way to start it out. We have a Jordan 1 box. Let you guys look at it first. Size 6.5. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. So this is the Royal Toe, the grade school 6.5. So these are pretty nice. I had a lot of these, but I'd recently just sold them off. So these have kind of been staying at the same price and dipping down a little bit. You can see that's like, these I think are like 300 before fees. So that's not bad. Have another Yeezy box. Let's see what this is. This is a size 13. Oh, okay. Well, it's a pretty big size, but I believe these are called the Yeezy linens. But I mean, these are pretty nice. I honestly don't know how much these go for. I do not think that these actually go for that much. Like maybe 250, maybe a little bit more. But I mean, you know, no damaged boxes or anything. It's pretty cool that he put that bubble wrap in there and stuff. So we have another Yeezy box. Oh yeah, and I also should put in here that like he said you can tell him like if you want Jordans or Yeezys or whatever, but he didn't really ask me what I wanted, and I just sent him the money on Cash App, so I was a little sus because I never Cash App anybody. But I mean, I got the shoes, so it's just. So like I didn't have a specific like, oh, send me Jordan 1, send me whatever. So have a size 10 sender. All right, well, these aren't bad. These are pretty nice. But yeah, like I said, this size, yeah, it's probably maybe 350-ish. I want to say, I don't know. I haven't really checked the market on them in a while. So there's only 2 more shoes in the box, and I don't really think we're at that high of a value. Size 11.5, Jordan 13. All right, so have the lucky greens. I mean, these are nice, but these definitely do not go for a lot of money. These are probably, I don't know, they go for under retail, so this might be like $180 before fees, so I don't know. I'm not seeing too much value. So there's only 1 more shoe in the box, and I can tell what it is by the box. So this is a size 11. Box is, it's not really damaged, but kind of look like it. All right, so size 11.5, UNC3, or I mean size 11, brand new. These are clean. Probably one of my favorite shoes to come out last year. Brand new. So that is it for the box. I don't know if I should be hyped unless a shoe there has more value than I was thinking, but off the top of my head, I don't know how much profit we made, maybe some, but it'll be up on the counter. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm hopping back in here right in the middle because it has been almost like a week since I had originally opened the box, and I was highly disappointed with what I got. I calculated the totals after payout. If I were to sell them all on StockX, it was $1,789, and so in total I paid $2,080, so I'd be losing $300. And even just if you go off of like the highest ask on StockX for every single shoe that I got was $2,025 right now, because I just redid the calculations before I made this. And so I was highly disappointed. So I'll show you guys on my phone. So I reached out to him and I was like, what do you base your prices off of for the flip kits? I was like, I was basing off of StockX ask and just not coming up with the value, so I'm curious. And I said, this is what I got for the 6 in my box, which at the time was $2,040. So he didn't respond, so then I put an up arrow. And he said, I use Suplex app. It has all prices for all apps. I sell 0 on, and he used the derogatory term to describe StockX. I buy there only for a reason. So I was like, okay, well, you said in that video, whatever. So I was like, you said on your story 10 to 12% after app fees though, and you named StockX in it. And then I put a question mark. He didn't respond. Then I said the highest payout on every shoe on the Suplex is only like $18.50. Didn't respond on Tuesday. So then Wednesday I put a question mark and then he read it. Okay, so I was like, okay, what's going on? So then today I just put, so am I screwed? And he hasn't responded. So I'll show you on his story.
What the heck is a flip kit?
The heck? Flip kit is a resale ready kit solely based on your budget that I meticulously pieced together with my 20 years of expert experience in the sneaker resale game. My goal here is to ensure 10 to 12% profit for you, the customer, on the other end. And that's after any fees, any SneakerCon app fees, any fees, whatever platform you use, this profit is after those fees. Most of my customers have reported 13% or more, and a lot have reported.
There you go. I do what he posted on the story. He hasn't responded back to me, so I guess some people get 10 to 12%, some get 15, and then I lost 20%. So I don't know. I mean, I got finessed. What can you say? It was some guy on IG. He has like 60-some thousand followers. He's legit. I mean, I've talked to him about shoes in the past before because I've been curious about this. I guess luckily I just got the cheapest one you can get. It was $2,000. to try it out. I mean, I guess I was like, well, maybe he just forgot to put one shoe in there or whatever. And then after he read it, I was like, well, I guess, you know, he just doesn't really care. So I would not recommend buying one from him, obviously, because I spent $2,000, and if I were to sell on all fees, I would lose $300. Yeah, I mean, I was hesitant about even putting this video up because I was like, you know, I get them and you usually make money, but I was like, I need to put it out there, let people know that, like, if you're not careful and you're just buying from random people, then you can get burnt. I got a little bit eager because I wanted to like keep posting videos, and I mean, it came back to bite me from buying off a dude that I had never purchased from. And I also looked him up on YouTube. I did not see any other people. There was one guy with one video and he didn't like count the values or whatever, and I was like, well, at least he's actually getting the shoes. And then another weird thing was too, is on his story he says, I don't have a reference post, but I can gladly point you to some of my happy customers. That should have been a red flag to me, but at the same time, I really didn't think much of it because the guy seemed legit, and I don't know. I mean, you know, I guess I'll learn from it. So I would not, like I said, I would not recommend buying one from him. And I'm gonna put this video up just to show you guys and, you know, learn from the L's with me. So, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. It's not as exciting of a video for me to post as usual, but you know, at the same time, hopefully this will save somebody in the future and won't make the same mistake. So I appreciate you for watching. If you like this video, want more, well, I mean, I don't know if you like this video, but I'm just saying, if you want more of these sneaker mystery boxes, you know, let me know, like the video, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks, stay safe, and don't get scammed like me.